Theta Organization Value Expectation Rundown. The genuinely current market cost of one Theta organization is $1.07 in an unpretentious manner. Theta Organization, Theta, generally is determined to generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $20.65 toward 2025 in a kind of enormous manner's end. Theta Organization, Theta, essentially is expected to sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of $159.87 continuously 2030, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Long-haul examination proposes the Theta Organization cost might actually flood to $991.88 by 2050, with an exceptionally possible reach somewhere in the range of $955.19 and $1,090.30 in a very enormous manner. The kind of typical extended cost for Theta Organization in 2040 generally is supposed to sort of be $758.34, with really expected difference somewhere in the range of $711.49 and $833.89 in an essentially significant manner. Starting around 17 December 2023, Theta Organization sort of is exchanging at $1.07 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.43% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. Theta in every practical sense has a very complete market cap of $1,071,750,051, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,168,608, which certainly is very critical. This explicitly makes Theta Organization, Theta, beautiful positioning at 63 in the cryptographic money market, exhibiting how Theta Organization value forecast outline the truly current market cost of one Theta Organization, sort of is $1.07 in a really significant manner. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Theta Organization cost expectation end of 2040, what will Theta Organization really be especially worth in 2040? Is Theta Organization a kind of wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2040, which sort of is genuinely huge? Will Theta value sort of outperform its unequal genuinely high in an essentially significant manner? These in every way that really matters are our Theta Organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which certainly is genuinely critical. Theta Organization, Theta, value expectation 2040, as per the Theta Organization estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Theta cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $1.15, the normal most certainly least value worth of Theta Organization, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to basically be $1.05. Or so they essentially thought. Besides, Theta can essentially arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $1.19 in an unpretentious manner. Theta Organization value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the truly greatest cost for Theta Organization could explicitly stretch around $1.19, sort of additional appearance how Theta Organization value expectation rundown, the ongoing business sector cost of one Theta Organization especially is $1.07, which is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in December 2023 really is $1.05, with an exceptionally normal cost of $1.15, pretty further appearance how Theta Organization, Theta, basically is estimated to sort of arrive at a kind of typical cost of $20.65 toward 2025 in a truly significant manner's end. Theta Organization kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been basically diminished by 3.11% in its in every way that really matters, current worth, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming that we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an essentially significant manner. Theta Organization in a real sense is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, exhibiting how starting around 17 December 2023 Theta Organization fundamentally is exchanging at $1.07 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.43% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. The Theta in every way that really matters is down to nearly 5.21% in the in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Theta Organization value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Theta Organization could fundamentally stretch around $1.19. Sort of additional appearance how Theta organization value expectation outlined the especially current market cost of one Theta organization certainly is $1.07 in a significant manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for most certainly past especially couple of days. The coin could especially have sort serious areas of strength for of in any case, we don't actually imagine that it would a beneficial resource in kind of present moment. So most certainly is Theta organization an excellent venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2040 in a significant manner. Theta organization value figure 2040 facts what will explicitly be Theta organization genuinely worth in 2040, which generally is genuinely critical. The Theta cost especially is estimated to by and large arrive at a very greatest degree of $1.19, with genuinely least cost of $1.05 toward the finish of 2040, showing that the kind of typical extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 in a real sense is supposed to truly be $758.34, with really expected fluctuations somewhere in the range of $711.49 and $833.89. Or so they for the most part thought. Does Theta organization sort of have a future, which for the most part is very critical? As far as value, Theta organization for the most part has an exceptional fundamentally potential to basically arrive at new levels, exhibiting that Theta organization value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the truly greatest cost for Theta organization could generally stretch around $1.19, sort of additional appearance how Theta organization value expectation synopsis, the essentially current market cost of one Theta organization certainly is $1.07 in a huge manner. It fundamentally is estimate that Theta will increment in esteem, which certainly shows that the Theta certainly is down to nearly 5.21% in the very most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Theta organization value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Theta organization could in a real sense stretch around $1.19. Most certainly further appearance how Theta organization value expectation rundown the really current market cost of one Theta organization for the most part is $1.07 in a by and large huge manner. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Theta organization can basically stir things up around town of the greatest cost of $6.10 till 2030, exhibiting that Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2040 as per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2040 the Theta cost especially is supposed to really cross an especially normal value level of $1.15. The normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to fundamentally be $1.05, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Theta organization by and large worth purchasing in 2040, which for the most part is very huge. Theta network's worth sort of is supposed to fundamentally keep on extending, as lack will in general, for the most part empower cost rise,